Welcome to Complete Traffic Science, guide for every driver. Let's start. Stop. Give way. No entry. No overtaking. No vehicles. No motor vehicles. No motorcycles. No bicycles. No heavy goods vehicles. No buses. No pedestrians. No straight ahead. No right turn. No turn. No U-turn. No left or U-turn. Weight limits. Width limits. Height limits. Length limits. No horns. Speed limit. End of speed limit. No waiting. No stopping. Ahead only. Turn left ahead. Pass either side. Round about. Buses only. Bicycles only. Pedestrians only. Pedestrians and bicycles paths. Seat belts required. Snow chains required. Priority road. End of priority road. Priority for oncoming traffic. Priority intersection. Double bend. Road narrows. Quayside or river bank. Low flying aircraft. Tramway crossing. Guarded railroad crossing. Unguarded railroad crossing. Steep grade. Falling rocks. Snowfall. Horse crossing. Children. Construction site. Drawbridge ahead. Wild animal crossing. Domestic animal crossing. Signal lights ahead. No horns. No parking. Parking area. Pedestrian crosswalk. Motor vehicle only. Expressway. Expressway. Priority over oncoming. Public telephone. Gas station. Hospital. First aid post. Dead end. Traffic jam. Humpback bridge. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and comment.